there, I have this InSinkErator garbage disposal to share with you. I'm gonna go into all of the details and show you in use and show you installed in a kitchen. So let's get right into it. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, what I wanna show you is that the button for this is actually right here and not on the wall as sometimes they are, and I think that's really cool. So let me just turn on the water and show you how it works. Show you this garbage disposal actually in use in the kitchen. You push the button to turn it on, you can leave it on and then turn it off. It's a really powerful machine. As far as garbage disposals go, this one is probably one of the best or the best on the market. Let me show you underneath. So as you can see, there it is installed. This is what it looks like from down here. Now we've had this for about a year. It's holding up really well. The key is to keep it clean, to follow the maintenance instructions. It's assembled in the USA. It's a really well-made, trusted product. I think you can't go wrong with the InSinkErator. The company's been around for such a long time. They are the innovators in this, and all around it's just a really powerful must-have to have in your kitchen. So definitely I would say it's a yes, highly recommended.